Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. These are the ingredients we are using for today's coconut cookies. We have 100 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of white sugar. Then we have butter, which we'll use just half of it. Then we are going to use some vanilla essence, 1 egg, baking soda, salt, shredded coconuts, 240 grams of all-purpose flour. And then we'll be using an ice cream scoop. This is our mixing bowl for the stand mixer with the paddle attachment, the stand mixer, a sieve to sift the dry ingredients, our plate for serving the cookies, parchment paper, our baking sheet, and then a chopping board if needed. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. I'm going to place it here, add the attachments, and then begin mixing as I add in the sugar. And I'm going to add in the egg and then mix. So I'm going to scrape the bottom to ensure that everything is mixing in properly. Then I'll continue mixing. Now I'll add in the vanilla essence. Mix. So this is how it looks like. I'm about to add in the flour, the salt, baking soda, and then the coconut shredded pieces here. I'm going to place the sieve on and then pour in the flour, baking soda, and then the salt. Then I'm going to sift. So that I'm placing in the paddle attachment, and then I'll fix it into the mixer. I'll start mixing from low all the way to about 3 on the mixer buttons. The cookie dough is formed. We are going to introduce in the shredded coconut and then mix that one in as well. And that's our coconut cookie batter ready to be scooped and baked. This cookie has no chill time, so I'm just going to scoop it onto our sheet here, which I'll cover in parchment paper, and then we bake at 160 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes on medium to low heat. You can see how soft and luscious it is. So I'm going to scoop it with the ice cream scoop here onto the parchment paper covered baking sheet, and then we bake right away. So this is how the first 3 look like. So these are the cookies. I'm going to bake them. So these are our cookies. So these are our coconut cookies. I want to break into it. You can see the streaks of the coconut that was shredded earlier. It smells so good, and I've already taken a bite here. It tastes amazing. So try this recipe and let me know how it was in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.